Hey, what's up everybody? 2015 Nissan Rogue, no power at the DLC. I got my scanner hooked up. It's getting nothing, won't power up or nothing. Got it plugged in. So basically come to this panel over here, take this panel off. It comes off like that, you just pull it out. It has a list of fuses on it. You're going to go to the one that says Electric B, like ELEC-B. It's a 10 amp fuse. It's right here. ELEC-B. 10 amp fuse. Mine was blown. It's located right here. It's already pulled out. I pulled it out. Located right here. So get yourself a new 10 amp fuse. Here's my old one. You probably can't see that it's popped, but I got myself a new one, and gonna put this one in, and then we'll watch my scanner turn on as soon as I turn it or push it in. All right, I'm pushing it in, and there goes my scanner. All right, so this solved my problem. So hopefully it'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.